Ah, suburbia, the sounds of the local neighborhood. But that's not why we're here today. Today is to talk about something that I do that saves me a lot of time. And that something is ChatGPT. Now, the day may come where we have to surrender to our AI superiors, but for now, I use it to create YouTube videos. I don't use it for too much of it, I just use it for the mundane parts, like trying to come up with a title, a description, and thumbnail ideas. So let me show you how I do that. For this video, you'll see that it shaves a lot of time off. Before, when I had to do that stuff, I would stew on that sort of thing for maybe half an hour because I was trying to find exactly the right SEO terms and all that stuff. Now I just ask ChatGPT to do it. It pops these things out in about 10 seconds, and I just cut and paste and go on with my day. So let me show you some sample prompts, and you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, here's ChatGPT, and here's my prompt. Just basically asking that I wanted to create a title, description, and a thumbnail that I can use for this video. So I hit send, and it starts to think, and it comes up with some SEO titles and some logos. I don't care about the logos, but I do care about the titles, and here's 10 choices that I could pick from. So I'll pick one of these for this video. Now here's the description. I'll just cut and paste it right out of here and into the description of my video. Now it asks me if it wants to create the thumbnail. I say yes, and here it goes. And here's the thumbnail. So I'll use this thumbnail for this video as well. I'll include my prompt into the description, and you can copy and try it out if you'd like. But that's it. Thanks for watching.